Now we're nearly in a position to copy our walls up, but I just want to show you what I've done before we're going to do that. Now, if you remember, I put in these things which are fill regions, and what I wanted to do was just pick out the various different areas that services are going to gather in terms of waste and hot and cold supply and flow and return and things like that. Okay, and what I did was I copied them onto the copy clipboard, and then I paste them into the ground floor plan. All right, and then I made a decision that I'm going to have a box out here and here, so I'm kind of keeping close to these walls here, here and here. So they're going to be vertical shafts that will travel the length of the building as well. So I just use our standard box out internal wall for that with the double plasterboard on. You won't have double plasterboard on the inside, but it will be on the outside there. I can adjust that wall style later on, but the idea was to plan these out. Now if I go back to my first floor, I'll show you why I'm doing that. So I'm picking up the bath, which could possibly go straight in across here, or it might go to a stack there or something like that. This will be where the main soil vent pipe stack is going to be, and we'll bring these across here and that one across there. Okay, and then that'll apply more or less to the 4 buildings. So I've got 4 areas where I'm bringing down those the soil vent pipes all the way down. Now, so that was the idea and the strategy behind that. What else did I do here? Let me just go back into hidden line. I had left out a door, I think, yeah, a door into this bedroom here, so that's back in. I put in a couple of louver doors in that wardrobe there as well, if you wanted to see those. I had to scale them down a little bit, but that's them there. Okay, let's just turn off those shadows for the moment. Louver doors in there, and again, these are kind of placeholders more than perhaps what you might choose within the apartment itself. Okay, so back to our first floor here, like so. Now, if I come into the second floor, let's take a look at what I've got here. So I've only got these kind of spine walls here, right? I don't have that wall traveling there and that wall traveling there. And I don't have this little wall with a door across here either, and I don't have the corner windows. So that's what I need to move up to the various different floors. So let's go about and do that. So let's pick that one and this one. Okay, so there's those 2. Let me pick this one, and I'll right click on that one. I'll go select all instances visible in the view. Okay, let me add that one. Okay, and I'll right click and go select all instances visible in the view. Okay, and I've got this wall here. You can see it's wanting to take these walls too, so I better take them out. So I'm hitting the shift key. I can leave that one, and I can leave that one. Okay, I can leave that one, and that one, and that one. Now, the rest can travel up with me. I think that's everything. If it's not, there's no problem. We can go back and move more stuff up if necessary as we do that. Okay, so let's see how that works out. Let's put that on the copy clipboard. Okay, and then we go to the second floor. We go paste to selected levels, and we'll paste it to the second, to the third, to the fourth. And we go OK. All right. Now just give that a second to come through. You can probably shout at us. 2 walls were not automatically joined because one of them is not editable. Okay, that's it's not a serious error. We can go and find that. All right. Now let's get into the 3rd floor. See if we're there. All right. And that is fine. It looks, oh yeah, you can see these ones didn't travel up. Okay, we didn't add those ones in. That's what I mean. Fourth floor will be the same again. So back to the first floor. Let's take this one, and we will take that one, and that one, and this one. Okay, and we will copy them, and we will paste them to selected levels. Second, third, fourth. Okay, let's go back into the second floor there. So it says I've got identical. Oh yeah, that's identical there, so let's delete that one. Alright, back into first floor, and it is actually this one that we want, so copy and paste into selected levels. Now you can see that that is a pretty smooth way of doing that. I'm going to take my ducting as well, right click and go select all instances visible in the view, copy, paste to selected levels, and again it's a visual indicator for me that where those connections are. And let's just check out our third floor plan. Move that from coarse to fine. Okay, so you can see that most of this is working out well. It's traveling with us. All right. Now I need to pop in a couple of doors in spots along here as well, and put in the lift car doors there too. But that's it. So that's kind of those walls in place. Let's go into a 3D and see how we're doing. Let's take the box section, move it up here. Right, now you can see how that's kind of working out for us there, which is not bad as such, I think. All right, do a few shadows here if you want. Now, okay. So we'll just double check everything with that, and as I said, there's a few bits and pieces to be added in the external doors onto, because I didn't move the walls up, so the doors obviously didn't travel up. But that is as simple as taking one of our 60-minute fire doors and go create similar and pop these into position and in there like so. Alright, and save again. If I'm into my first floor, take my lift car and go create similar up into the second floor. Okay, we can pop that into the same position there. Alright, so we'll tidy up those, and that will be our floors kind of finished at that point there.